This guy's bringing his girlfriend to sound test.
The trick.
He thinks this might be the trick. Will the AMA official cut this young lady any slack? This is... Oh, that sounds loud. That sounds loud. Wait a minute, he passed! He passed! Are you kidding me? Wow. Wow. Congratulations. Oh my gosh. My friend, you are a genius.
Old school tricks. I've been at this long enough.
That's one of the loudest bikes I've heard today. A passing grade. Congratulations. Look at that. He passed.
Old school trick.
Young lady, congratulations. You got it done. You learned something there. You learned something. Bring your girlfriend to sound test. Team Yamaha might try it. You never know. We'll see who else is up next. This is the 952 passing grade for them as well here. Supercross sound test.